Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide I'll explain how to install and manage extensions in the Google Chrome browser. If you want to go straight to the info you're interested in without all the messing about, click on any section below to go straight to that part of the guide. Please do subscribe if you like what you see, so we can let you know when new guides are published. Google Chrome extensions are small apps that can be installed into Chrome in order to change or enhance the browser's functionality. This includes adding new features to Chrome or modifying the existing behavior of the browser to make it more convenient for the user. Browser extensions work the same way across all browsers, but today, however, I'm going to be focusing on the Google Chrome browser only. Let's start by looking at how to find Google Chrome extensions and making sure they're safe to use. If you want to add a Chrome extension, they should only be sourced from one place, the Google Chrome Web Store. It's super easy to find. You can either visit the Google homepage and search for Google Chrome Store and choose the first link that's shown, or you can get to this page directly by typing chrome.google.com/webstore. Any links we reference in this guide will also be shown in the description below. There are a wide range of apps that can be found in the Web Store. You can navigate the Chrome Web Store by browsing the predefined categories, or if you know the name of the app you want to install, you can type its name directly into the search bar and press return. I'm going to search for an app I want to install called Dark Reader. This extension will convert every web page you visit to dark mode, which puts less strain on your eyes and can make web pages easier to read. A number of search results will be returned for you to review, and installing it could not be easier. If I click into the Dark Reader option, you'll see that the product page has an overview of the extension, and very usefully also has customer reviews, which give you a good idea of how much this extension is liked by other Chrome users. Only download official Chrome extensions from the Chrome Web Store from sources you know or trust. You should make sure it's safe before installing it by doing a little due diligence of your own and checking the developer's website, if they have one. Let's now take a look at how to install a Chrome extension. So we're still in the Dark Reader product page. At the top right of the page you'll see a large blue Add to Chrome button. If the Add to Chrome button is grey rather than blue for you, that indicates that you're not logged into Google or you're browsing in incognito mode. You must be logged into your Google account to download and install Chrome extensions. To add this extension to my Chrome browser, I'll click the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up then appears that confirms what permissions you're giving to the extension. In this case, it's to change the colours of the web pages you visit. Make sure you review the permissions and are happy with the privileges you're giving to each extension. Click the Add Extension button to confirm you're happy to proceed. Google then confirms that the Dark Reader extension now has been added to the Chrome browser, and we're redirected to the developer's button page. If I now visit some websites, you'll see the Google homepage and Wikipedia both have black backgrounds and high contrast text is shown. Let's finally look at how to manage any extensions you've added to the Chrome browser. Extensions will remain on by default whilst you're in the Chrome browser. Many extensions have features that allow them to be quickly managed from the browser taskbar by clicking on the extensions icon. If we navigate to that icon and click on the Dark Reader link, you'll see we have options to control whether it's on or off and how much contrast to apply. Extensions can also be turned off directly from within Chrome on the Extensions page. To find this page, click on the three dots in the top right of the browser. We'll then scroll down to the More Tools option, and from the list that's shown, choose the Extensions option. This same page can also be accessed by typing the web address chrome/extensions directly into the Google web bar, as shown here, and press return. This page shows all the extensions that have been installed to be used with Chrome, as well as the Chrome apps like Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. At the moment only the Dark Reader extension is shown. We know that this extension is active because the tab button is switched to on. If I click on that to move it to the off position, this disables the extension in Chrome. And if I go to the Google homepage, let's refresh that page, that is also white again, confirming that the extension is no longer active. Let's now return to our extensions page. We also have the option to completely remove the extension if we don't think we'll use it again. To do that, we simply click on the Remove button next to the extension. Chrome asks us to confirm that we want to continue, and to proceed, click the blue Remove button. A goodbye page from the developer pops up, and if we return to our extensions page, we see that the Dark Reader extension has been removed. I hope you found this Woggle Guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe so other users can find it too. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.